Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BigQuery client library for Python development, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install the BigQuery client library for Python development, start by ensuring you have Python installed on your machine. You can check this by opening your command line interface and typing Python version. If Python is not installed, download it from the official Python website and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once Python is installed, you will also need to have pip, the package installer for Python. To verify that pip is installed, type pip version in your command line. If pip is not installed, you can install it by following the instructions on the official pip documentation page. Now that you have Python and pip, you can proceed to install the BigQuery client library. Open your command line interface and enter the following command, pip install Google Cloud BigQuery. This command will download and install the BigQuery client library along with its dependencies. Once the installation is complete, you can verify that the library is installed by opening a Python interpreter. In the interpreter, type import google.cloud.bigquery. If there are no errors, that means the installation was successful. Next, to start using the BigQuery client library, you'll need to authenticate your application. You can do this by setting up a Google Cloud Service account. Create a new service account in the Google Cloud Console and download the JSON key file. Once you have the JSON key file, set the environment variable by executing the command export google_application_credentials equals /path/ to /your/ser. Replace /path/ to /your/service account file.json with the actual path to your downloaded JSON file. With the client library installed and your authentication set up, you can now start developing applications that leverage Google BigQuery. Refer to the official Google Cloud documentation for more detailed examples and usage guidelines. That's the quick tutorial on installing the BigQuery client library for Python development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.